if ever I had.
Okay, today we're having breakfast with my daughter and we're going for prata. In Singapore, you eat prata in the morning. I show you what's prata next, okay? This is called Casuarina, and Casuarina has got the best crispy prata, okay? And this is the prata, you see? This is the egg prata, and this is the plain prata. Yeah, and we finish everything. Yeah, you can clear. Thank you. Fabulous food here. Now we are at Venus Drive. I'm going for the hike. Look at it. There's a lot of monkeys here.
And I want you to know, sunshine.
There, a circle of fish also.
This is catfish.
Yeah, that's small fishes.
Oh, the turtle's so cute. Look, it's playing with the... Ah, so cute. Look. Oh my god.
We're now at Adams Park Nature Reserve. This is Singapore Venus Drive Park, a nature reserve. Okay, so you get to see a lot of hawks and monkeys. See? Now we are at the MacRitchie Reservoir. This is also the catchment area for the water that we're drinking. This is a reservoir here. My beautiful daughter. Sure. Not that here. Come here.
I don't want to do it with your stupid camera.
Okay, I'll off the camera. Come here. Hey, no.